Hi, this is Anoop for anmStudio. In this video, I will show you how to create awesome YouTube intro for your YouTube videos. Also, this video will help to create your own YouTube intros without using any software. Yes, now you can create your own intros without any software. Actually, now professionals are doing what you by using Adobe After Effects and Sony Vegas Pro. But in this video, I will show you very simple way and easy to create YouTube intro. So stay tuned. For this, you have to go visit website called Pansoid. This website link is also available in the video description. The website look like this, and you have to go to the clip maker here. Before going to that, you can see the presets down here. You can search here for the more presets. You can select any one of them for your intros. So just selecting this one as your sample and just click it in open clip maker. So this is our work area. So we can see our work here. This is our work area. This is our work. So just pause it. First what you have to do is goes to basics right here, and you can see there's a three options right here. First one is video resolution. Second one is frame rate. Third one is length. You have to minimum 10 seconds length for your intro. That's the best I suggesting you. And the first mainly is video resolution. I think if you need to upload this intro to your YouTube, then it's best with 1080 pixel. This has the option of 4K also, but that don't require if you have to upload in YouTube. But what is the issue in 4K now? It will get more clarity, but it will take some time for rendering, and size also will be large. If you're okay with this, then I will suggest 4K also. So for your study purpose, I will select only 1080 pixel, and the frame rate 3060. You can select to 30 also. And next one is the scene. In these three, outdoor, blocks and darkness, this three is for your beginner. You don't need to change anything. Suppose if you do one or two intros by using the Pansort website, you can get some idea about. There is some options in that you can see change some of these settings. You can see here they will be changing the design, but for a beginner you don't need anything kind of this set. Okay, so I have to skip this one, and next one is the objects. This is the main thing you have to focus in. What is basic now? You have to search text in this column. Okay, I guess go into down text. See, you can see the group text. There is called text name. See, click the text name and it change name here, and what your name required on your YouTube video or YouTube intro. And just writing as anmStudio. Then I have to select my phone which I want. Selecting one phone. There is a lot of option right here, that position also, and the size, thickness, color, all you have to select. That's your wish what to change. The next one is called text. You have to write same on the here also. What you written above is same. So in Studio I just select the same font for that. Okay. Next one is I select is audio. What is this purpose now? For this intro, you have to select any background music. Actually, the presets coming with the music. If you have to choose your own music, then select this button right here. Then you have to choose your own music to this. Okay. After completing all this, just go to the download button right here. Then just click the start video render. There is two options right here, mode and format. What does mode mean? You have to select the quality of this video. See, if you need extreme quality, it will take some much time for the rendering. So just click the start video render right here. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes. It's depending upon your net speed. So we will wait for the render to complete. Okay, now you can see that our rendering is complete. Then you can download your video. Just click on the download your video option right here, and you can see your video is completed. Just click on that, then you will see how is our work is. So I think it's looking good. So now I think you are ready for creating your own intros. So don't waste your time, just go and create your own video. So if you like this video, please thumbs up this video, and if you hope to share this video to your friends also, please subscribe this channel and keep support me. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I am your I am signing off.